How to set up face recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we go down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. And from here, tap on screen lock and biometrics. Now enter in the current PIN and tap on continued. After that, we go down and tap on face recognition. Then in here, tap on continued and tap on register. Now you need to put your face into the camera and follow the directions. Okay, so here we have successfully added the face. Once it is added, you can use it to unlock your device. Here there are further settings, so you can set it to require open eyes, brighten screen, and stay on lock screen until swipe, so you can turn face unlock on or off. Okay, so once it is switched on, we can then unlock the lock screen using face recognition. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.